All right, welcome to the Nine Dimes Project. This is the channel where we show you how to get better at personal finance. We want at least our members in our channel to be millionaires and beyond. So, starting a new series, why budgeting apps are a waste, and I'm going to do this instead. So here's the idea. You got your budget apps, they're reactive, and it tracks what happened, but not what's gonna happen. Right? Need more proactive planning. So in this new series, the Emergency Fund Blueprint, over the next 3 weeks, I'm going to show you how to build a real emergency fund that protects you from life's curveballs. First, let's talk about budgeting apps. Say you've downloaded Mint, or is Mint still an app? I think they sold it or got rid of it anyway, or another app like You Need a Budget or Every Dollar. Say you track for maybe 2 weeks and then you probably stopped, and that's because budgeting apps solve the wrong problem. Let's show you what actually works. Right, so why do budgeting apps fail? They're reactive. Like we mentioned earlier, you spend and then the app says, oops, you overspent. And that's like weighing yourself after eating pizza and being surprised. They're tedious. Categorizing every transaction is exhausting. And they don't change your behavior. Tracking doesn't mean improving. So you don't need another app, you need a plan. So the 1 hour monthly money update, and this is how it's done. The last day of every month, you review your money. Take a few minutes, look at last month, see what went right, what went wrong. And you plan for the next month. You look at your income, your expenses, and your goals. Then you adjust your systems. Automate more, or you cut waste. So spending 1 hour a month on these things is better than tracking every day. What to review in your money date? Review your income. Did you make enough, or did you make what you expected? And then ask yourself, how can you make more? For the expenses, you ask yourself, did you overspend? Or where can you make cuts? Your savings, did you hit your goal for savings? If not, then why didn't you? And for investments, did you contribute to your Roth IRA or any other investments? And you look at your goals and you ask yourself, are you on track? So simple is better than complex. You don't need to track every cup of coffee. But what you do need to know is, did you save? Did you hit your 30% this month? Saving your 30% of your income for that wealth building. And if yes, keep going. If no, then adjust. See where you need to cut. See how you can make more. A simple spreadsheet would suffice. So the anti-budget strategy is automating your savings or investments first. Pay the bills, your essential bills, and then whatever's left is guilt-free spending, or it should be at max 20% of what you make. No tracking needed. You already paid yourself. So now, no, the budgeting apps don't really work. Plus, they might be an added cost that you don't need. Like, say if it's $100 a year, you can put that $100 into your investments, or maybe even splurge on your favorite person. All right, so don't forget the 3-tool starter pack, links in the description, the Wealth Builder budget, savings goal calculator, and the 30-day money challenge. And that'll cover it for this week. All right, we'll see you in the next video.